everyone, this is Paushta Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Two of my courses are available in English now: how to make a bomber jacket and a measurement cutting system. Buy them to be different and beautiful. Have a look at me. I am wearing the finished dress with the shaped princess seams. In the previous videos, I showed you how to make a pattern for such princess seams. I showed you how to make a mock-up for this dress. I cut it, tacked, and tried it on, and show it to you. The only thing I changed after it was the neckline. I made it V-shaped, but not too deep. This is how it looks like now. The sleeves, as well as the center front detail and the center back detail, are blue. The sides are milky. I am lucky to have milky colored shoes. They match the dress perfectly. Let's follow the given advice to make the sides not as bright as the center details. I hope that this design will inspire you and you will make princess seams of different shapes. I think that this is a very useful technique, and it's a perfect way to be different and beautiful. I wanted the top detail to be one piece. You can make cuts here. Some of you wouldn't like the princess seams to start from the armhole. You can make them go down from the shoulders. I wouldn't like the princess seams to start from the shoulders and divide the dress. I'm happy with the result. I like the dress the way it is. We drew the lines of princess seams by hands. I drew them the way I wanted to. I wanted to use them to narrow the center detail in the waistline. I did it. Do not forget about the checkpoints when cutting the details. The dress is made of crepe. The lining is silk. Crepe fabrics are very comfortable. I prefer to make linings of silk. I don't like synthetic fabrics. Have a close look at the dress once again. I'd like to wear it right now, but it's too hot here. If the temperature is not that high in the place where you live, you can wear such dresses at the moment. I should wait for the right weather to wear this dress. I can't wait to go somewhere in it. I was also lucky to get as a gift such a beautiful brooch in the shape of a bird. It appeared in the moment when the dress was almost ready. The brooch is decorated with the feathers and stones. It matches the dress perfectly, and so do my shoes. All the details are in one color spectrum. I showed you a lot of different types of the princess seams. I showed you how to make different patterns for them. I also showed you how to combine colors and fabrics, how to choose jewelry and shoes. I made this dress on the advice of Russian designer Andrei Safinin. I think that the dress makes me look much slimmer than I really am. This is the most lively topic in our channel: how to look slimmer than they really are. This dress is of current interest. I'm happy that it's finally finished. It's very comfortable. I love the dress. As I've already said, I can't wait for the occasion to go somewhere wearing this dress. I wish you success in making such dresses. Choose the color combinations carefully. The original advice was to make the sides gray, but I decided to make them of milk color. I had a pair of matching shoes. Otherwise, I would have nothing to wear with them. There are also 3/4 sleeves in the dress. This is my favorite length. I do not like long sleeves. If you do, you can make a long sleeve dress. That's all for today. I recommend everyone sewing such amazing dresses. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukšte. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. Do not forget to buy my courses. 2 of them are available now: 10 measurement cutting system and how to make a bomber jacket. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.